Spiral tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. The spiral tool is a powerful feature that can be used to create beautiful and complex spirals in your designs. Let's get started. Open Adobe Illustrator CC document based on your requirements. Select the spiral tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. It's located underneath the line segment tool, and looks like a spiral shape. Click and hold the line segment tool in the toolbar until the flyout menu appears. Then, select the spiral tool. With the spiral tool selected, click and drag on your canvas to create your spiral. As you drag, you'll see the spiral grow or shrink in size. If you want to create a perfect spiral, hold down the Shift key while dragging. Once you have the arc tool selected, click and drag on the workspace to create the spiral. You can adjust the spiral shape by dragging the handles that appear on the spiral. You can also adjust the spiral size by holding down the Shift key while dragging. To adjust these parameters, simply click on the spiral tool icon in the toolbar. This will bring